Hello friends, after A to Z, let's learn to form a words. So we will start with two-letter words. Let's write the heading. T W O, two letter words. So children, you have to write in good handwriting. So you have to write heading. Let's write two-letter words. Today we will learn A sound words. So you have to write like this. An, A-N, an. A, then S, as. A, T, at. So you have to touch the line and you have to write neatly. So last time we have learned two-letter words in print handwriting. We are learning A sound words. So those who are writing in cursive handwriting, let's practice how to join the words. Now let's write. So am. So you have to start from here. Then like this. A, M, am. An. A, join the words. N, an, as. A, S, as. At. A, T, at. So children, you have to touch the line and you have to write neatly. So to make your handwriting good, you have to make your basic A to Z two-letter words very nicely. You have to write. So we are joining the letters and we are making two-letter words. To make our handwriting good, we have to touch the line and we have to write in proper pace. So today we will learn E sound words. So we have to start from red line. H, E, E. W, E, V. M, E, me. So the formation must be proper for good handwriting. B, E, B. Touch the blue line properly. Okay? So children, practice and make your handwriting very good. Now today we will learn these E sound words in cursive handwriting. These are print handwriting which are available in the textbook. And today we will learn these words in cursive handwriting. Cursive handwriting helps us to write very fast. It is also known as running handwriting. So he, we have to start from here. Blue line. Like this. H-E, he. Now write W-E-V. See the joining of the letters. M-E, me. B-E-B. It must not go out of the red line or blue line. You have to touch the line properly. We are learning to join the letters. So those who want to make their handwriting good, you have to learn the basic nicely, and most important is you have to do practice. So today we will learn I letter words. So we have to write in blue line. I, F, if. Then I, S, is. Touch the line and write. I, N, in. I, T, it. Those who are small children, practice in red and blue line. It will be very effective to improve your handwriting. Write in cursive writing. Now how to join the letters? Now in cursive writing, if. Now we have to start from here. I, then like this, go up. I, F, if. Not to lift up the pencil, okay? Then I, S, is. I N in, I T it. So if you practice basic nicely, your handwriting will automatically improve. So children, you have to do practice every day, first in red and blue line, okay? So we have to start from blue line. O F, off. O N, on. O R, or. O X, ox. So children, whenever you are writing, you have to write in correct formation and you have to write the letters properly and touch the line and write. Last session we have learned O-letter words to write in print. Now we will learn to write in cursive writing. Let us see how to join the letters. So it will be very good if you practice in red and blue line, those who are very small. So we have to start from here, off. So see how we have to write O, letter O, F, off. Then from here O, N, on. Then O, R, or. Then O, X, ox. So you have to write like this and you have to join the letters nice. Print writing is very important. To read textbook and read many books, so you must know the print writing. Let's practice. G, O, go. N, O, no. S, O, so. T, O, to. D, O, do. So you have to write properly and neatly and touch the line and write. And you have to leave the proper space and write. Let's learn to write these two-letter words in cursive writing. Now those who are writing in cursive, let's practice how to join the letters. Now this is go. So from here, first you have to write like C, go up, come down. G, O, go. N, O, no. S, O, so. T, O, to. D, O, do. So children, you have to keep practicing every day, first in red and blue line, then in single line. So basic you have to practice in red and blue line, so you can write neatly. We are learning print and writing, and so we are learning two-letter words, which is very basic. So we have to start from here. B, Y, buy. M, Y, my. Let's see some more words. U, P, up. U, S, us. So these are two-letter words. When we will learn to write letters, then we can practice two-letter words. After learning alphabets, we should practice two-letter words for good handwriting. See it in cursive writing. So we have to start from here like this. Let's learn to join the letters. B, Y, buy. Then M, Y, my. Then here U P up. Then here U S us. So always write neatly, touch the red and blue line, and keep practicing, children, in red and blue line to make your handwriting more beautiful